The first one is the dual tricep ropes, which you can see right here. Tricep ropes are awesome for training triceps through a full range of motion. The only way to do this, however, is by using dual tricep ropes. Try it out the next time you train. You're gonna understand why you need 2 ropes to train the triceps properly. You can also use these for rowing and pull down variations, as well as hammer curls if you wanna get some extra grip work in, which is always nice. Next up, we have the D handle, which is located, oh my God, it's gone. Where's my D handle? Found it, it's right here. Using a single D handle for one arm pull downs is one of my favorite lat exercises and allows you to train the lats much harder. These can also be used for cable curls, lateral raises, and more. The next one pretty much everybody knows about, and that's the revolving lat bar. Lat bars are one of the main attachments used in gyms all across the globe. The best ones revolve similar to sleeves on a barbell, and these types allow you to do basic upper back pull downs, cable curls, tricep push downs, various others. You don't need a lot of specialty ones. Just get a standard lat bar and you can add some attachments to it if you want to. Do neutral grip variations. It's really up to you and what it is you're trying to train. And of course, we got ankle straps. Sure, you can use these for glute kickbacks, but I use them for something even better than that. You wanna know what it is? Leg extensions and leg curls. The only way to train your hamstrings correctly is with the combination of hip hinging movements, such as a stiff-legged deadlift, as well as a leg curl variation. Without it, you cannot get complete development, so having these ankle straps has been a huge help in my home gym. And if you're somebody that has a weird structure, you're not able to squat properly to get maximal quad activation, leg extensions, they work. And now we move on to the worst attachments that need to be banished. It's funny that these are some of the most used and abused in commercial gyms when they're really subpar and don't allow you to train your musculature efficiently. First up, we have the worst offender, which is the double D handle, which, yes, I do have one, and it does not move from that spot on the wall. That one was free. I don't use it. The single D handle is great, but the double D handle is really bad, honestly. Because of how it's constructed, you can't row through a full range of motion. You need the elbows pulled back behind the body to train the upper back, which you just can't do with this attachment. As soon as you get close enough, you're gonna stop because there's literally no more room for your arms to get past your freaking torso. Likewise, if you're trying to train the lats more, you need your hand shoulder width apart with the neutral grip. Then you need to drive your elbows down toward your hip to bias the lats more. You can't do either of these motions with the double D handle, so it's probably one of the worst movements you can do. It's even worse when you use it in combination with a T-bar row, which is bastardized enough. You know what I'm talking about? You see those guys and they're doing T-bar rows in the corner and they have one of these handles attached to it and they're basically just humping the bar. Their range of motion is like 2 inches. They're not actually doing anything except stroking their egos, but who am I to judge? So stop using it. It's bad and you should feel bad for using it. Now I'd like to hear from you. What do you think of the best and worst attachments that I shared with you today? Do you agree, disagree? And if so, why? Either way, let me know what you thought by leaving a comment below right now. If you're interested in more equipment and home gym videos, you can check out these 2 next. If you disliked the video, there's the door. I'm going. Until next time.